Hi everyone, and welcome to Automite. In this video I wanted to tell you about prices, like car insurance prices, used and new car prices, body repair costs and mechanical repair costs, why they're skyrocketing. And one of the reasons is because of this. So this is a 2022 to 2023 Acura MDX headlight, and they only have one headlight. It's an LED headlight, and I don't know if any of you remember back in the day they had halogen headlights for the same year and model car. They had xenon headlights. You know, if you had a halogen headlight, you could just go and pay, $200-$300 if something was wrong with it to replace it. But now you can't anymore. So there's only one headlight. It's an LED, and the MSRP is $1,500, which is really expensive. So you could go and online and get it at a discount from a dealer for $1,000, but it's still expensive. So what I do is, if this headlight is completely broken, which this one is, I try to remove any parts I can salvage so I can sell it, so people can save money on repair costs. So this is the LED module that operates these bulbs in the front, and then there's this LED module. These are light bulbs, actually, LED light bulbs. And I believe they operate this turn signal light over here. So first time I'm coming across something like this where I don't know if you can see it, but I tried to remove it, but no matter what you do, you can't remove this thing. So if anything happens, let's say the light stops working, there's no way to replace this. You'd have to go buy a whole new headlight. Headlight breaks, you have to buy the whole new headlight. That includes everything that's on it. None of this is sold separately at the dealer. The dealer just sells this whole thing with both modules together. That's why it costs so much. Okay, so also if any of these bulbs stop working, like in a halogen headlight, you could go and replace the high beam bulb or the low beam bulb. Even in xenon headlights, you could have replaced the bulbs, whichever is not working, not these. Anything happens, you have to replace the whole thing. Okay, and this, I can sell this. If something happens, somebody can buy it and replace it for really cheap, but not this. It doesn't come out. See, that's why when we got a letter from our insurance company that they want to raise our insurance from, I forgot how much it was, but they wanted to raise it by $600 a year, which is an insane amount. It's because of things like this, because repairs are getting more expensive. And also, if you know about the grills, a lot of newer cars come with adaptive cruise control grills, so if there's a front end accident, the adaptive cruise control emblem is like $400, $500, $600. It could be even more than that sometimes. Also, there's a radar sensor on the back of it, which can go, I don't know, anywhere from $1,000 to like $2,500, depending on the model. So they're paying a lot more money than before to repair cars. That's why every cost is going up, and I don't know. And these cars are going to get older one day. All these things, are going to require repair. I wonder if aftermarkets will be available for lower price or not. And even if they make this exact light aftermarket, it's not going to be that cheap because it has so many parts to it, including all the projectors inside. So I don't know. We'll see. If you're not subscribed, please help us out by doing that, and please like the video if you can. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. Have a good day.